Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we explore creative ways to bring the beauty of nature into your home. In today's video, we'll be share ideas on how to decorate your home with plants, creating a refreshing and vibrant atmosphere. Let's get started. Ideas number 1: indoor jungle. Create a lush and tropical oasis by incorporating a variety of indoor plants. Choose plants with different shapes, sizes, and textures to add visual interest. Place them on shelves, side tables, and countertops to bring life to every corner of your home. Consider plants like monstera, snake plants, and peace lily for their air purifying properties. Idea number 2 is that hanging beauties. Utilize the vertical shapes in your home by hanging plants from the ceiling or wall mounted hooks. Choose trailing plants like string of pearls, pothos, or spider plants that gracefully cascade down. Not only do hanging plants add a unique visual elements, but they also help to create a sense of height and dimension in your living space. The idea number 3 is that window garden. Transform your window sills into a botanical display by creating a mini garden. Select plants that thrive in bright light, such as succulent, aloe vera, or herbs. Arrange them in decorative pots or hanging planters to maximize the sunlight or bringing into the nature right into their kitchen or living room. Idea number 4 is that statement planters. Make a bold statement with eye-catching planters. Opt for unique designs such as geometric shapes of different beautiful a woven basket or colorful ceramics, or to add a touch of personality to your plant collection. Mix and match different planter styles and size to create an eclectic and visually appealing arrangements. Idea number 5 is that vertical gardens. If you have limited floor space, consider creating a vertical garden. Install wall-mounted planters or a vertical plant shelf to display an assortment of plants vertically. This not only serves space but also adds a stunning focal point to your home decor. And remember that caring of your plant is essential to maintain their health and beauty. Provide them with appropriate amount of sunlight, water, and occasional fertilization. Each plant has its specific needs. To take the time to research and understand how to best care for each variety in your collection. We hope these ideas inspire you to bring the beauty of nature into your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel. For more creative and home decoration tips and ideas, happy decorating and happy planting of these ideas I have shared with you in my channel. If you guys wanted to watch more ideas related to home decor and different stylish home decorating ideas and living room ideas and different home decorating ideas, please subscribe our channel. Stay connected with us. Keep